Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to add your Facebook leads to ActiveCampaign. So imagine this, you have generated a lead called as John from Facebook Forms. So you have John's name, email address and all those details. So you want to add John as a contact in ActiveCampaign, maybe to send him a confirmation email or product related information in the future. So here you have two choices. The first choice is copy all the details of John from Facebook Forms, sort it out and manually add him as a contact in ActiveCampaign. The problem with this approach is it's actually very repetitive and tiresome. So I would suggest that you bring in some automation so that whenever a new lead is added in Facebook Forms, it will automatically create a contact in ActiveCampaign. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Facebook and ActiveCampaign. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so we are going to begin with a small example. So this is my form that I have created in my Facebook profile. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to fill in this form. So the name of the guy is Aaron, okay. And the last name is Manuel. And this is the phone number, okay. So let me just enter the phone number. This is the value. So basically value can be anything. Let me just type the proposition of 400 rupees and payment in hand, let's say 1000, just a deals page that I'm using. So the idea is that once this form will be submitted by this person called as Aaron, he will be added as a contact in ActiveCampaign. Now this is the email of Aaron. So let me just add this. Okay. And this is the full name. Okay, so let me just click on next. Okay, let me just click on submit. Okay, so the form has been submitted by a person called as Aaron Manuel. So let's have a look. Do we have a person called as Aaron Manuel added as a contact in my ActiveCampaign's contact list? So let me just refresh this. Okay, so as you can see, we do have a person called as Aaron Manuel with the email address aaronmanuel1992@gmail.com, and this is the phone number. So basically we have got the contact in ActiveCampaign. So basically this is the gist. Anytime a new lead is generated in Facebook, the lead will be added as a contact in ActiveCampaign. So to begin the actual integration process in your browser, just type pabbly.com. Pabbly.com it is. So your obvious question is, why pabbly.com? Well, we have an app called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Facebook lead ads to ActiveCampaign. So this is the website of pabbly.com. Let me just click on some. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also build your own free account in just 2 minutes. So let me just scroll down and here you will find Connect. Just click on Access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, Create Workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Facebook to ActiveCampaign. Facebook to ActiveCampaign. And let me just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So basically we are going to create a new workflow. Now in case if you want to replicate or clone this workflow, the link of this workflow is available in the description box. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Facebook lead ads, this one. And in the trigger event, how about we make it as new lead? So basically new lead is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new lead is created in trigger as a trigger, then what action should be taken by the system? Now we do have one more trigger, that is new lead legacy. Now in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build a trigger event for you. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new lead is generated in Facebook. So let me just open up my Facebook profile. So this is my Facebook profile, okay, and let me just straight away take you to my page. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is basically we are going to first integrate Pabbly Connect to Facebook. So let me just click on connect with Facebook lead ads. In the new credential, let me just click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Okay, excellent. So it is showing the authorization successful. Just press OK. So as you can see, we have two blanks, the page as well as the lead generation form. So what are these? So let me just take you to my Facebook. So as you can see, let me just take you to my pages. So where are my pages? Yeah, so here are my pages. So as you can see, these are all the pages that I have in my Facebook account. Okay, so all the pages that is present here is being simply reflected here. So in the drop down, you will find all the pages that is present in my Facebook account. All the pages that is present here is being reflected here. This is because Facebook is now integrated with Pabbly Connect. So what if I create a new page? So what I'm going to do here is, for your consideration, I'm going to start or create a new page from scratch. So the name of the page is Lygium Tech Review. So this is basically a review channel, review page for tech, and the category I'm putting is science and technology and engineering. Okay, so let me just click on create page. Okay, so a page has been created. So basically the idea is that we have to construct associated forms with this particular page. So let me just click on save. Okay, so let me just remove this. We don't need that. Okay, just leave. Okay, so this is the page Lygium Tech Review. Okay, so let me just go to Pabbly Connect and let me just refresh this. So when I click on refresh, I can expect to find this newly created page in the drop down. So let me just click on refresh. Okay, so let's have a look. So let me just scroll down. Okay, so let me just scroll down. Okay, yeah, we do have the page Lygium Tech Review. So we are selecting this. Okay, so as you can see, we don't have any lead generation form for this particular page because this is a newly created page and we haven't created any lead generation form. Now to get all this data to ActiveCampaign, I have created a page and a form for this very purpose. So I'm going to select that particular page. So the name of the page is my page. Okay. And the lead generation form, as you can see, we have a ton of lead generation form associated with this page. Let me just take you to that page and you will understand it better. So let me just take you to that page. Okay, so this is the page, my page. Okay, and let me just take you to all the forms that I have. So first of all, let's click on publishing tools. Okay, so in the publishing tools, we have to go to the form library. Okay, form library. Let me just try the business suite. Now, of course, this process will also work with a normal Facebook profile. I'm using a business suite. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so as you can see, these are all the forms I have in my page. Okay, so this is the page, my page, and these are all the forms that I have in my page. All the forms that is present here is reflected here. Okay, so basically, I want to get the data, get the leads data from this particular form, deals for today. So I'm selecting this one. Okay, so let me just go to this form. Okay, deals for today, and we are going to make some entry. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on test form. Okay, so at present, as you can see, this form has been submitted. So let me just delete my lead first. Okay, so as you can see, I have deleted my lead, and so basically I have removed the history of the lead. Okay, so basically now we are going to fill in new details. Okay, so new lead called as Matthew Perry. Matthew, and the last name is Perry. This is the phone number. Okay, so this is the phone number of Matthew Perry. The value he's assigning is 1000 and the payment he has given is 200, and the email is Matthew Perry 123@gmail.com. Just a random email that's popping in my head, that's all. And this is the full name, Matthew Perry, and let me just click on next. Okay, so the form has been submitted. Okay, excellent. So let me just go to Pabbly Connect, and what we are going to do here is when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch the data of the recently created lead. I repeat again, when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch the data of the recently created lead. Now the recently created lead is Matthew Perry. So when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch the data of Matthew Perry. So let us have a look. Let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, yeah, so this is the first name Matthew, this is the last name, that is Perry, and this is the phone number, this is the value, that is 1000, this is the payment in hand, that is 200 rupees. The email is matthewperry123@gmail.com. The full name is Matthew Perry. So basically we have got all the details sufficient enough to create a contact in ActiveCampaign. So to create a contact in ActiveCampaign, we are going to introduce one more window. So this window is called as the action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as ActiveCampaign? This one. Now in the action event, how about we make it as create a contact? Create a contact is an action event. There are many more action events like delete a contact, create a tag, add a tag to a contact, create a deal. All of them are a bunch of action events. Now in case if you want more action events according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I simply just want to create a contact in ActiveCampaign. So let me just click on Connect with ActiveCampaign. In the new credentials, we have to fill in the API key as well as the URL. So to get these details, let's have a visit to ActiveCampaign. So this is my ActiveCampaign account, and let me just click on Settings, click here. Okay. Now in the settings, you have to bring your attention to this part called as Developers. Click this. Okay, so as you can see, this is the URL, this is the key. So I'm just going to copy this key. Okay, I have copied it and I'm going to paste it here. Now we also have to enter the URL. So to get the URL, all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this up to here. I'm not going to include the HTTP part. Do not include the HTTP part. Okay, and I'm just going to paste it here. Easy. Okay, so we have entered the API key. We have also entered the URL. So let me just click on save. So it has authorized. So basically now, as you can see, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are going to create a contact in ActiveCampaign from the data that we have received from Facebook lead forms via PabliConnect. So in the first blank, we have to map, as you can see, it is required. So we are just going to introduce you to this button. This button is called as the mapping button. When we click this, we will find all the details that we have received from Facebook. So let's have a look. So we basically have to map the email and we have mapped it. It's so easy. Now coming to the first name, we are just going to click on this mapping button and we are going to map in the first name. So the first name is Matthew and we have mapped it. The last name is Perry and we have mapped it. The phone number, where is the phone number? Oh yeah, so this is the phone number and we have mapped it. So basically to create a contact called as Matthew Perry in ActiveCampaign, all I have to do is just click on save and send test request. So let me do that. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent. So let's have a look. So I'm just going to take you to contacts. So let me just refresh this. Oh, no need to refresh. So as you can see, we do have the person Matthew Perry. This is the email matthewperry123@gmail.com and this is the phone number. So the presence of this data shows that we have successfully integrated ActiveCampaign and Facebook with help of PabliConnect. Now before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So here I'm going to minimize my action window and I'm going to minimize the trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Facebook lead ads to PabliConnect and then you have integrated PabliConnect to ActiveCampaign. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Facebook and ActiveCampaign.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using PabliConnect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabli.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabli.com. It's awesome. Thanks.